Change leaders plan and communicate meticulously. On 6th June 1944, D-Day, Allied forces launched the largest seaborne invasion in history at Normandy, initiating the final chapter of World War II in Europe. Operation Overlord demanded an extraordinary mobilization of resources, strategy, and leadership across multiple Allied nations. Nearly 160,000 troops landed on the first day. By mid-1944, nearly 9 million tons of supplies had been shipped from North America to Britain. The invasion delivered 5 naval assault divisions to the Normandy beaches, 7,000 ships and landing craft, and over 195,000 naval personnel. Troops from 4 Allied nations landed on D-Day. These countries contributed ground forces on the beaches or through airborne operations. The campaign unfolded in 2 key phases: Operation Neptune, the naval assault, and Operation Overlord, the broader land invasion. British and American airborne forces also landed inland, reflecting the complexity of synchronizing land, sea, and air objectives. The leadership of General Dwight D. Eisenhower, who unified Allied forces under a single strategic vision, and General Bernard Montgomery, who commanded the ground assault. The US and Britain resolved to launch the cross-channel invasion at the Trident Conference in May 1943. There were 12 Allied nations that supported the D-Day campaign. Over 1.4 million American servicemen and a substantial Canadian force had arrived since 1943. The air component was equally vital. Airmen had spent months degrading German capabilities. D-Day was not just a military operation, it was a masterclass in leadership. Change leadership lessons. Leaders of change must align multiple organizations with different cultures. They require extensive planning and resource allocation. Change leaders must balance detailed preparation with adaptability. They must manage information flow and shape stakeholder expectations. They recognize breakthrough moments. Summary leadership quote: change leaders align diverse stakeholders through thorough preparation, maintain flexibility whilst controlling information flow, and sustain commitment beyond initial breakthrough moments.